Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to add a table to Notion. Now, we're going to learn how to do this. It's quite simple. The first thing you need to do is open Notion app, or you can visit notion.so on your web browser, and then you navigate to the page or workspace where you want to add a table. Next thing you're going to do is to select the location. So click on the block where you want to insert the table. You can click on an existing block or create a new one by clicking on an empty space. Next thing is to insert the table. And there are different ways to insert the table. I'm going to talk about two major ways now. The first method is using the slash command. Now when you're using the slash command, you have to type slash table. You will see options for table inline or table full page. If you're using table inline, it means it adds the table within the current page, which is good for smaller tables. When we're using table full page, it creates a new page dedicated to the table. Then you click on your preferred option and the table will be added. The second method you can use is using the plus button. Click on the plus sign on the left side of a new block that is below an existing block. Scroll down or search for table. Next, you choose either table inline or table full page based on your needs. Then after this is the simple way to add table. Now you can still decide to customize the table, fill in the data, or customize table views. It depends on you. If you want to do that, check out my videos on how to customize the table and a video on how to fill in the data and how to customize table views. But note that Notion saves automatically, so you don't need to worry about losing your progress. If you want to move the table, simply click on the table's header and drag it to a new location on your page. That is it.